What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video, this time of a pretty unique model, the Zipair Tokyo 787-8. This model is by Phoenix Models, and pretty interesting. I don't know a whole lot about this airline. I believe it is a subsidiary of Japan Airlines, or I could be wrong, it might just be their own, like a complete different startup, but I believe this aircraft was a former Japan Airlines 787-8, just repainted into Zipair livery. Interestingly enough, this model, I don't think there's been a Zipair model released before, but the Zipair sort of logo used to be like a Z on the tail, and unfortunately due to current world events, they actually had to change that, and they've got this sort of stripe pattern now in guard of the big Z on the tail, which I guess just represented the fact that it's called Zipair. Yeah, so Phoenix Models released this, and I decided to pick it up because they did start service to LA, interestingly enough, from Tokyo, which I think is pretty cool. So I believe it's some sort of like a leisure travel airline. It's offering kind of maybe lower fares or something. So I don't know a whole lot about it. But I decided to pick this model up as it's regular LA now. I'm super excited. So here we go. Here's the box, looking very nice. Here, picture of the aircraft there. Very nice box art by Phoenix, honestly. Quite impressed. Registration Juliet Alpha 826 Juliet. That's why I believe it was a Japan Airlines plane previously. They just repainted it for Zipair. So here's the model. Oh, very nice. Alright, that's very nice, guys. There we have it. Open it up. Be interesting to see if eventually NG with their Dash 800 mold releases it. This plastic seems really flimsy, almost like it's like melted a bit. It's brutal. Alright, we'll take it out of the packaging here. Looking really nice. Doesn't look broken or anything, which that's a good sign. Alrighty, and here we go, guys. Here's the model. Very unique livery, pretty plain, but I think it's decent. Seems pretty cool. This mold, not a huge fan of it. It's kind of that old, kind of that Gemini jet style with the super flexed wings, almost like in-flight wings with the gear down. Which is why I was saying maybe NG will make one eventually with their nice 800 mold, which is pretty new, but it looks like the wings are pretty nice on that. But anyway, nonetheless, I'm glad to have this model. It's pretty nice looking. So we'll go ahead, take a look here. It's not the greatest mold. The nose area could use quite a bit of work on this this one, but it looks okay. Yeah, one door there. It says E-tops, and you have the 826 on the gear door. L1 door with some little details, some great details around it. Zipair titles, L2 door, nice Wi-Fi and antenna on the top, antenna of the box there. I guess Wi-Fi box on the top there. Moving along, got the engines and the wings. You can see how flexed they are. The engine's looking pretty good though. Some good detail on that. Moving along, it's interesting how this has this green stripe kind of just through the window area. L3 door, and then you have Boeing 787 and then the Japan flag bulk bin door there, L4 door, and then the registration J26J. Got the tail with those interesting white, black, and green stripes there, which I think is pretty cool. It's pretty unique. It's interesting sort of grayish color, grayish green. I want to say it's like a grayish green almost color for the background. On this side you got the main cargo doors there, back and the front. That's pretty much it for this model. We'll take a look at the top. You got some good overwing exit or overwing markings there. Registration, and the bottom is plain with the registration there on the wing. That's pretty much it for this model, guys. There's really not much else to go over with it. Other than, yeah, you know, it's a okay model. The mold is more of the issue. The delivery is fine, I think. It's just the mold. But that's Phoenix models for you. The gears roll, and there's no issues I can see there, really. Yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.